Once upon a time, we all walked. We moved through these lands on foot. Along the way, we shared space with the natural world and crossed into this incredible world of wonder, where buffaloes stared back in interest and the lions roared as a signal reminding us who ruled this part of the world. Those were moments of peace. Those were moments of tranquility. But what if we told you that those moments of close connection with the natural world can still be relished? Are you looking for a truly immersive safari experience? Do you want to get up close and personal with the natural wonders of Uganda? Then come join us for a safari bushwalk. We call them nature walks. You never know what you may discover along the way. You will walk alongside the animals and see them in their natural habitat. Our guides will share their knowledge of the wildlife and the ecosystem, giving you a deeper understanding and appreciation of the nature around you, and reminding you that you're also part of this incredible circle of life. It will feel like you're seeing Uganda for the first time. If you're looking for a more peaceful experience, explore one of Uganda's national parks while on a safari bushwalk and enjoy the beauty and wonder of Africa.